Hello, fantastic foodies. Captain Create here. Did you know that there are places where people can vote on their favorite and least favorite vegetables? For the last 30 years, there's been one vegetable that's been on the list every single year. Do you think you can guess what it is? Here are some clues. They're green, they're round, they're bigger than a marble, but smaller than a ping pong ball, and chock full of awesome nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, folate, potassium, and lots of other nutrients, including several B vitamins. Wow, that's a lot. How about one more clue? They look just like this cabbage, but much smaller. So what are they? Drum roll, please. None other than Brussels sprouts. Sometimes people think Brussels sprouts are gross, but that's probably because they haven't actually tried them or had a really good recipe to make them. But look at these. Doesn't that just look like a delicious side dish at a barbecue? And who doesn't like barbecues? Yum. So I'll let you decide. Did Brussels sprouts make the top of the list or the bottom? I know for me, they're a definite win. Check out the description below for some awesome recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.